welcome everyone to the second exchange from The Conversation. Delighted to see so many people here today. This year has been a very eventful year at The Conversation. We've turned 10 years of bringing the experts from your universities to the general public. So thank you for your ongoing support of what we do here at The Conversation. This event really is also about bringing two groups of people together: research comms, comms and research comms, and the research office, research impact teams. Thanks very much for coming. I hope it's a useful and enjoyable day.